Yo, this is Nathan Schmidt with Earl, Owen Company. Today we got Eric here from N-Fab, and he's going to show us how to install and tell us all about the all-new Ravager running board. Right, Eric?
That's right, Nathan. Traditionally in the marketplace, we've just had our drop-down Nerf step and our different variations of the tubular style. So people have asked for the running board, and we finally released one. It's kind of our first go at it, and it's kind of a heavy-duty style.
Okay, so let's go ahead and get to install it, and we're going to tell you all about it. Step 1, identify the driver side Ravager board and mounting hardware. Step 2, install the supplied step plates to the running board using the button head bolt, nuts, and washers. Step 3, install the supplied mounting brackets to each attachment point on the running board. Keep in mind that the mounting brackets will attach in the forward position with the threaded part of the carriage bolt facing towards the rear of the vehicle. Hand tighten for now. Step 4, install the Ravager running boards to the factory mounting locations underneath the vehicle using the supplied hex nut and flat washer. Hand tighten. Step 5, adjust the running boards to the desired position and tighten all the bolts.
We've completed the installation of our Ravager running board. The step plates are removable if you'd ever want to do any powder coating, like a custom color match or any creative thing like that. And our steps do have a 5-year finish warranty and are backed by a lifetime craftsmanship.
Eric, thanks for joining us today and showing us all about the new Ravager running boards from N-Fab.
You bet. Thanks for having me.
Guys, if you like this video, go ahead and smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe. And remember to tune in every Friday for more truck-related products like this. See y'all next week.